would you like to know what I'm making for dinner tonight? Let me show you. All right, so before I show you what I'm making for dinner tonight in my home, I just want to welcome you to my channel, Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload a new recipe, which I'm doing every single Monday and Thursday. So what I am making is for a super quick and easy fried rice. Now this is one of those meals that you can just raid your refrigerator for any vegetables or meat that you have, and then just mix it all together in a nice hot skillet, and then you'll have a delicious meal. Now there is a secret to excellent fried rice, and that is using leftover rice. This is some brown rice that I made yesterday. And so you want your rice to be very cold. That is the secret. But let me just show you the rest of the ingredients that I will be using. All right, so the meat that I'm using today, I have 2 chicken breasts that I have cut into very small chunks. And the vegetables that I'm using is some sliced Brussels sprouts, and I've also cut my broccoli into small pieces. I have some frozen peas. I have 2 green onions sliced. I'll be using 2 garlic cloves, 2 eggs, and then I have some soy sauce, and I am using a reduced sodium soy sauce. Okay, so I am using a large non-stick skillet today, and I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil into the bottom of my skillet. I've got my skillet on a medium-high heat, and then I'm just going to add my chicken. So I'm cooking my chicken first. All right, so then I'm going to add my garlic cloves using my garlic press. So you want to cook your chicken until your skillet is pretty much dry and your chicken is starting to get some nice brown color to it. All right, so once your chicken is done, I'm just going to remove it and place it onto a plate. All right, now I'm going to add just a little bit more of this olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add my cold rice to my very hot skillet. And another tip is when you add your rice to make an even layer in the bottom of your skillet and let it sit and crisp up for a little bit before you start to turn it. All right, so I'm going to sprinkle on my peas, my frozen peas, and my Brussels sprouts, my broccoli, and my green onion. All right, now I'm going to start to turn this rice. After a couple minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken back in. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drizzle in some of this soy sauce. I think I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make a little well in the center of my rice. And then I'm going to add my eggs. Taking my spatula and just kind of scrambling them in the pan. And once they're pretty well cooked, then I'm just going to mix them in with the rest of the rice. So this fried rice took me less than 30 minutes to make, but you can make it even faster if you prepped all of your vegetables and your meat ahead of time. But now I'm going to give this a try, and I'm going to attempt to use chopsticks. I've never been really good at it. I just kind of use it as a shovel. It made it in my mouth. I'm not doing all that great with these chopsticks. That is super good and healthy with all the added vegetables. You can even use some other vegetables like carrots if you want to do that as well. But I hope that you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more recipes. I'm switching to a fork.